With the perfect blend of natural beauty and profound meaning, each painting is crafted from rustic pebbles, telling a unique love story and preserving the cherished moments from every stage of one's memories. As you can see before your eyes, this is one of our latest products for this Valentine season. Now, I will guide you through the steps to create a meaningful and wonderful painting like this one. First, we need a paper template to outline the painting. Here, with dimensions of 9 by 9 inch, I've designed a border frame to make cutting easier. To enhance the frame's appearance, we'll use a backing frame that matches the size of the template. For this painting, we'll use 2 pebble stones shaped like human figures. These stones can be customized to your preferred shapes and styles. Next, we'll use a wooden stick. To add a harmonious touch of color to the product, I've used paint to accentuate and bring some vibrancy to it. These are 2 pebble stones that will form the heads of the characters. Here, you'll choose stones that complement the bodies we've already selected. To fill the empty spaces in the text on the painting, I have sparkling, heart-shaped stones that are both stunning and beautiful. At my store, you can select the colors of these stones to match your painting. Now that we've completed the basic design of the painting, we'll move on to an important step, ensuring the painting is sturdy. Here, I use white glue, a strong adhesive that is safe and non-toxic. Apply an adequate amount of glue to the back of each pebble stone. You'll do this step one by one for all remaining parts of the painting. This is the part where you can personalize your product by arranging the elements to your liking. Now comes a step that might be challenging: choosing the heart stone. I'll guide you to visualize how the overall look changes when you switch out the heart stone. And just like that, we've completed a painting full of vibrant colors and meaningful details. Once finished, I will frame it for you. You can also easily choose the frame color to match your personal preferences. Our frames are made from high-quality wood, with a mica front panel to ensure safety when delivered to you. The painting is now complete. I look forward to seeing you again with our next creations.